One day, Buddha taught a young householder the 6 ways of squandering wealth that need to be avoided. The Buddha said this to him. Young man, heedlessness caused by intoxication, roaming the streets at inappropriate times, habitual partying, compulsive gambling, bad companionship, and laziness are the 6 ways of squandering wealth. First of all, these are the 6 dangers inherent in heedlessness caused by intoxication. Loss of immediate wealth, increased quarreling, susceptibility to illness, disrepute, indecent exposure, and weakened insight. And these are the 6 dangers inherent in roaming the streets at inappropriate times. One's self, one's family, and one's property are all left unguarded and unprotected. One is suspected of crimes, then rumors spread, and one is subjected to many miseries. A third is the 6 dangers inherent in habitual partying as follows. You constantly seek, where's the dancing? Where's the singing? Where's the music? Where are the stories? Where's the applause? Where's the drumming? A fourth is the 6 dangers inherent in compulsive gambling as follows. Winning breeds resentment. The loser mourns lost property. Savings are lost. One's word carries no weight in a public forum. Friends and colleagues display their contempt, and one is not sought after for marriage, since a gambler cannot adequately support a family. And these are the 6 dangers inherent in bad companionship. Any rogue, drunkard, addict, cheat, swindler, or thug becomes a friend and colleague. Lastly, these are the 6 dangers inherent in laziness as follows. Saying, it's too cold, one does not work. Saying, it's too hot, one does not work. Saying, it's too late, one does not work. Saying, it's too early, one does not work. Saying, I'm too hungry, one does not work. Saying, I'm too full, one does not work. With an abundance of excuses for not working, new wealth does not accrue and existing wealth goes to waste. That is what the Buddha said. Summing up in verse, the sublime teacher said, some are drinking buddies. Some say, dear friend, but whoever in hardship stands close by, that one truly is a friend. Sleeping late, adultery, hostility, meaninglessness, harmful friends, utter stinginess. These 6 things destroy a person. Bad friends, bad companions, bad practices, spending time in evil ways. By these, one brings oneself to ruin, in this world and the next. Seduction, gambling, drinking, singing, dancing, sleeping by day, wandering all around untimely, harmful friends, utter stinginess. These things destroy a person. They play with dice, they drink spirits, they consort with lovers dear to others. Associating with low life and not the esteemed, they come to ruin like the waning moon. Whoever is a drunkard, broke, and destitute, dragged by thirst from bar to bar, sinking into debt like a stone in water, into bewilderment quickly plunges. When sleeping late becomes a habit, and night is seen as time to rise, for one perpetually intoxicated, a home life cannot be maintained. Too cold, too hot, too late, they say. Having wasted work time this way, the young miss out on opportunities. For one regarding cold and hot as not more than blades of grass, doing whatever should be done, happiness will not be a stranger.